Hello, bachalogs. What's up at your end? चलो कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. मेरे लैंग्वेज में तूफानी बोले तो reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, you know that this is a series, Love Thy series. Love Thy series क्यों कह रही हूँ? Love Thy RCs. It's RC 100 का series, ठीक है? And in this series, I try to give you a plethora of RCs of diverse genre, different kinds taken from various sources, tweaked here and there. So this series is meant to show you various things. Isme kya hai? Like I'll tell you. Number one, this series is meant to show you how to handle RCs effectively, like very, very effortlessly. So it'll teach you skimming, skipping, scanning, how to handle the passages as such, like, how to do organized reading, ye wala. Then how to locate your answers when you read the questions, how to connect very fast, which questions to select first, process of elimination. And then, of course, I take RCs from PYQs, from some old mocks, from some of those RCs are made by me. I just take old passages and throw in new questions that are trending. When I say trending, what do I mean? Questions that have been there over the last 5 years in CAT. So, when it comes to practice, I want all of you to practice RCs, pura ka pura CAT paper from 2017 to 2024. That's the most authentic repository that you have. वो तो करना ही करना है. उसके अलावा, if you do this collection, this compilation of mine, RC 100 का ये series, I promise you guys, if you are still struggling in RC, this will help you in a big way. 15 से 20 RC passages आप ये वाले कर लो मेरे साथ बैठ करके, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कैसे RC नाम का जो बला है ना, उसको हैंडल कैसे करना है. ओके, सो चलो, बाकी बातें तो होती रहेंगी. आज जो मैंने पैसेज लिया है ना, this is from CAT 22. Somehow I feel, guys, that 21 and 22, both the years are kind of ignored by you, by me, by everybody. Why? Because when we start, and the same happens with you all, admit it. So let's do this passage. इसमें of course 4 questions are there. है किस बारे में? Software improves. अच्छा, when I see a passage, I assess the passage as the first step. अब देखो यहाँ पे see the passage, सबसे पहले I assess it. How do I assess it? I see भाई हीरो कौन है इसमें, कितना बड़ा है पैसेज, मुझे एक साइकोलॉजिकल फीलिंग आनी चाहिए, कंफर्ट आना चाहिए. सो भाई ये तो 6 पैराग्राफ्स पागल ही हो जाएंगे. नहीं, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक अ डेंस पैसेज. व्हाई? कैसे पता चला मुझे इट्स नॉट अ डेंस पैसेज? बिकॉज हियर आई कैन सी ये डेटा, यूनिवर्सिटी रिसर्चर्स फाउंड, कुछ तो किया उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट. हर्बर्ट ड्रेफस, ओके, फिलोसोफर, somebody, किसी का नाम. डेटा किसको कहते हैं? डेटा इज फैक्ट, इन्फो दैट इज गिवन. इट नीड नॉट ऑलवेज बी नंबर्स, है ना. ऑटोमेशन स्कोप, अब यहाँ पे देखो 2012 जर्नल आर्टिकल, जर्नल डायग्नोसिस, एरिक डंकन. भाई पहले देख के लाइक आई फील हैप्पी, a little comfortable कि अच्छा this is a data based passage, not very data dense, but okay. Nice. What is the hero? Software improves, people using it become less likely to sharpen their own know-how. Applications, okay, it's a software application. Information scientists, okay, skills get sharper. Software, something to do with software, right? Automation scope, okay, all right. So alternative human-centered automation, talents of people, precedence, software. Bas khatam. You know, this assessment of the passage should happen in 10 seconds. Yeah. With practice, of course. Otherwise, you will take 1 minute to understand ये जो मैंने आपको दिखाया है. So, what is the passage about? What is the hero? Something related to human-centered automation, something related to software, something related to human thinking connected with software and human-centered automation, something. And I understood what type of passage it is, how long the passage is. Okay, that's a psychological hack. Done. As the second step, I'm going to zip over to the questions by to each his own. This is my way of doing it. And I never say my way or the highway. It's up to you. Whatever suits you, you do it. But for me, this works wonders. And even my students have testified and said this helps them. So after this, I go over to the questions. Why? Reason bhi samjho. Logic. When I see the questions, I understand how to handle my passage accordingly. Let's say there are 3 questions that are completely specific. Why would I need to read the passage? Let's say there is one main idea and 2 specific questions. I don't want to do the 4th one. That's pretty long and vague. I'm going to do 3 questions from here. So 1 main idea and 2 specific. Why will I read the passage? You get it? That gives me an idea. Second thing, when I see the questions and then when I go to the passage, while I do my organized reading, it's easy for me to remember, oh, here there's a question, here there's a question. Somehow it kind of benefits us. All right. So when I see the questions, again, that has to be fast. How many seconds? 15 seconds. Okay. So basically what I'm saying is you can give 30 seconds to just checking your passage, one passage. In the beginning, when I see my CAT paper, if I'm checking all the 4 passages, itna detail mein, it's going to take a lot of time. So what will I do? I'll just check all the 4 passages as a nazar. Acha, okay. I want to do this, likh liya maine, 2, 3, 1, 4, ऐसे sequence में करूंगी. Then I go to my first passage, that is the second passage. 2, 3, 1, 4 बोला मैंने. Second passage ka, if I'm going to give 7 to 8 minutes to the passage, 30 seconds I'm definitely giving to this assessment. If I don't know what the enemy is like, how can I just start shooting arrows and bombarding them with bombshells? Doesn't make sense, na? So 30 seconds nikalo, it's worthwhile investment. Abhi dekho questions jaise hum dekhenge, to what do I think when I see the questions? From the passage we can infer that the author is apprehensive about the use of sophisticated automation for all of the following reasons except except means false. Correct? Apprehensive, sophisticated automation. This has to be connected to some para. पूरे passage में थोड़े ना apprehensive होगा. There can be one more way of writing this passage, that the whole passage deals with the author's apprehension. So every para will contain one apprehension. The first para will be the introduction. The second para will be, this can be disastrous for various reasons. Firstly, that para will speak. Secondly, another para. Thirdly, another para. Fourthly, or finally, another para. Deta hai CAT ऐसे passages. So we have to see, when we do our reading, we have to see this is connected to one para or to the entire passage in the form of different paragraphs showing different points of apprehension. Apprehension is what? Apprehensive about, scared about, worried about. Use of sophisticated automation, TTTF, right? एक para में भी हो सकता है, comma दे करके. We'll see. But this is a beautiful question, easy to do. भाई करना क्या है? जाके check करना है. Specific है ये. In the Ebola misdiagnosis case, this is super specific. We can infer by yahan pe bhi this is inference question, this is inference question. Bole ya na bole, it is an inference question. Yahan to bol hi raha hai. Doctors probably miss the forest for the trees because. Now this is an idiom. If your reading is very good, your idiom and vocabulary is a little good, this will be very easy for you to understand and decode, because for missing the forest for the trees is an idiom that means don't miss the big picture while you focus on micro points. नहीं मैं ना ये वाला नहीं, ऐसा कपड़ा कैसे, और ये वाली टोपी नहीं, ये तो काम नहीं चल रहा, नहीं अच्छा ये नहीं, अच्छा नहीं वो तो ये नहीं करूंगी, वो नहीं करूंगी, इसलिए मैं वहां शादी नहीं करूंगी. Look at the big picture. He's a millionaire. Okay? So don't miss the forest for the trees. He's a millionaire and he's a little old, he's a little unhealthy. कर ले शादी बाद में ना, क्या पता वो उखड़ जाए. You are going to be the baroness, the millionairess. So don't miss the forest for the trees. समझ में आई मेरी बात? Okay. So ये है यहाँ पे. So this is super specific. Ebola misdiagnosis case. All right. Then, in the context of the passage, all of the following can be considered examples of human-centered automation except. Context of the passage. You need to understand what the passage is saying. All of the following can be considered examples. These are not given there. So this is an application question for which you need to understand the context of the passage, the concept that's given there. Okay, what is human-centered automation? Always remember this, in application question you need to first understand that concept from there and then apply that to these examples and come up with your answer. ये कह रहा है all can be examples. True, 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 F. देखो भाई, आप इसको ना TTTF के बदले आप इसको एग्जाम्पल EEENE बोलो, एग्जाम्पल 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 नॉन एग्जाम्पल, आप कुछ भी बोलो. दिस इज माई वे ऑफ डूइंग इट, सो आई एम जस्ट पासिंग इट ऑन टू यू. इट काइंड ऑफ मेक्स सेंस टू मी. हाँ, सारे करेक्ट हैं बिकॉज this goes with the concept, right? And one false. And the last one, it can be inferred that in the Utrecht University experiment, super specific, I know that in the second para or somewhere they have given this experiment, one group of people was aimlessly clicking around because, again infer, right? nahi bhi bolta infer to bhi, it can be concluded, it can be understood, again infer. ओके, दिस इज स्पेसिफिक. मुझे अब आप एक बात बताओ, कैट ये रियल कैट है. स्पेसिफिक, 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 राइट? Why would I need to go into the details of every para? What do I need for such a passage? I need to know what the main idea is. क्यों लिख रहा है भाई तू ये पैसेज? ह्यूमन सेंटर्ड ऑटोमेशन एक क्वेश्चन में बोला. I understand now the focus is on human-centered automation, right? So probably, I mean, the thought that comes to mind is AI, too much automation. So we need to have human-centered. AI cannot replace humans. Humans have to be there, at least in some fields where the human touch is needed. ये सब external reading से फायदा होता है, right? So I need to understand what the main idea is. Why is he writing the passage? I need to understand in this case very clearly the main idea. To support that main idea, what experiment he conducted. I'm not going to read the experiment. Whenever there's an experiment or a study or a research data, I'm going to read, I need to know why was it done. Okay, the whole experiment and what did they find out. I can ignore the whole experiment, but why was it done and the result. What did they find out? These are very important. I need to know this. Why? Because this will connect with the main idea. The main idea cannot be about automation and the experiment cannot be about how cockroaches fly. Right? Has to be connected. So I need to know the main idea from this passage. I need to see what is where. ये experiment कहाँ Utrecht, कहाँ Ebola, something. Why? Because my questions are there. I'll come back. And then I just need to know the flow, the overall flow of the passage. I really will not go into the details of every paragraph. I'm going to show you how to handle this passage now. अब यहाँ पे ना एक और thought आपके दिमाग में आएगा. That ma'am, you know the passage beforehand. So it's easy for you. No, you're mistaken. There are 2 points here. Number one, I make and solve and teach thousands of RC passages. So it's like everything is one jumble in my head. How can I remember each and every passage and the flow of each and every passage? Unless I have taught that 50 times. और ये तो मैंने बोला कि ignored portion रहता है 22-21 का. Okay. The second point is, whenever I show how to handle a passage, I assume that I'm a student. I put myself in your shoes and then I show that. I don't try to pretend, हाँ भाई this is so easy, super easy, मैं तो educator हूँ, मेरे लिए क्या, तुम लोग को लिए भी आसान होना चाहिए. No. Then I'm not a true educator. A good educator means somebody who understands the student's problems and then shows the solution, keeping that situation in mind, keeping that problem in mind. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि मैं good हूँ, अभी कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं. I'm trying to be good. ठीक है? So chalo, I'll take you back to the passage now. We have seen the types of questions. I hope all the fundas are clear to you, whatever I spoke. छोटे छोटे ज्ञान पॉइंट्स होते ले लिया करो मेरे पास से. Okay. All right. I'll show you how to handle it. Now, as software improves, the first para, I would always read it. If it's a very big para, I'm going to read just the first part and the last part of that big para. But yeah, it's short. Ab dekhte jao bas. As software improves, the people using it become less likely to sharpen their own know-how. Correct? ChatGPT aaya hai. It helps us like crazy. So our writers, our teachers, students going to sharpen their own know-how, or are they going to be more dependent on ChatGPT? Obviously, we become a little dependent. Hai na? Applications that offer lots of prompts and tips are often to blame. Simpler, less solicitous programs push people harder to think, act and learn. Simpler, less solicitous, less helpful programs जो इतने prompts नहीं देता है. Push people harder to think. Okay. Ab we have got these. So the first para is so clear. He talks about AI, not exactly AI, abhi. He talks about software, he talks about technology that helps us and how it reduces our ability to think, often to blame, because we don't try to sharpen our own know-how. First para ke baad na 5 second extra leke pause and then just think, just try to sum up what he has said. Clear? Then I go to the second para. Now, he talks about 10 years ago, Utrecht University. There's a question there. I'll come back and read in detail later. But what was the experiment? Obviously connected to this. I need to know why they conducted it. Had a group of people carry out complicated analytical and planning tasks using either this software, okay, rudimentary means basic, no assistance, no prompts, simpler, less solicitous, okay, sophisticated, offered a great deal of aid. Finished. Nahi bhi padhoge to you will understand what they found out. What they found out cannot go against this, na, dudes. जो ऑथर बताना चाह रहा है, the experiment will support that. That people who, ये देखो, आप अगर skim करो थोड़ा, using the simple software, better strategies made, okay, ठीक है, supposedly helpful. You see this word, you get the tone. The supposedly helpful software, the one with the prompts, ChatGPT, example. Sorry, ChatGPT, I'm not trying to stigmatize you. Helpful software actually short-circuited their thinking and learning. Why do you need to read more over here? Correct? Because this para was clear to me, so I understand. ये क्या मिला होगा उनको, क्या मिला conclusion? Supposedly, let's say there is a question there. What is the tone of the author towards sophisticated software? Negative. Critical. Why? Because he says, yes, supposedly helpful. No, it actually short-circuited their thinking and learning. Okay. Third para. Acha. Now I'll pause here. He came up with an experiment. He wrote about it. I mean, apna author. Now, in order to support his point, he will come up with some other things. Right? He may give you in the passage the benefits of software. He may give you the downside of software. पहला तो बता दिया ऊपर में, we don't sharpen our know-how. Okay? He will come up with some more philosophers, some more researchers, some more scientists connected with this. ये भी तो कर सकता है ना. Let's see. According to philosopher Hubert Dreyfus, our skills get sharper only through practice. Right? The goal of modern software, by contrast, is our way. Okay. Why will you read it? Same ही तो point बोलेगा ना. Because he's saying the same thing. Dreyfus का क्या है कहना? Only when we do simple work. Overcome this thing, difficult challenges, only through practice, not through sophisticated software. If I skim this para, there is nothing here, nothing too important. बस Herbert Dreyfus, आप देख लो. Herbert Dreyfus पे question होगा, I'll come back. Got it? Then, nevertheless, oh, the tone changes. How nice. See, I told you in the beginning, अब आप फिर बोलोगे मैम आपको पता था, नहीं पता था, I swear. देखो, automation scope continues to widen. Still, वो कह रहा है still. अब उसका upside बताएगा. So why is the scope widening? something he's going to discuss. We are going to skim here. With the rise of electronic health records, physicians use करते हैं. अच्छा, scope बोले तो ना, obviously, how it's entering various arenas, various domains. Physicians use कर रहे हैं, checklist, okay, medicine, patients, okay. Harvard Medical School 2012 journal, okay, warned, अच्छा warn भी कर दिया. Screen driven, following computers prompts, अच्छा कुछ तो यहाँ पे problem, finish, नहीं पढ़ रही मैं. I swear मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे दिख गया, this para is about scope, how it is being applied to various fields, and then he gives one example of medical and physician and doctors and patients. Physician or doctors वही हुए, right? 2012 Beth Lown medical Harvard, ये याद कर लिया, देख लिया मैंने, आ जाऊंगी वापस क्वेश्चन होगा तो. Okay, then in a recent paper published in the journal, now he comes to the recent thing. 3 medical researchers examined misdiagnosis, ये इबोला आ गया, die of Ebola, question तो है इसमें, right? Okay, something, now I'm skimming. Digital templates used, okay, help to induce kind of, tunnel vision. English उतनी थोड़ी सी decent होनी चाहिए, tunnel vision बोले तो this much, ऐसे, horse with blinkers. Okay, these highly constrained tools. Now these researchers are not going to talk about something else in a passage that is talking about the author's viewpoint. ये भी तो वही कहेंगे ना. Correct. So मैंने ये देख लिया, but यहाँ पे इबोला की बात हो रही है. So okay, I'll come back for Ebola, Texas, health, okay, ये सब जो भी है. Last 2 lines. Medical software they write is no replacement for basic history taking, examination skills and critical thinking. Software is no replacement for this. Software can complement doctors, physicians. Complement बोले तो support. Okay. And the last para. I will always read the last para. If it's this short, बहुत बड़ा होगा, ऊपर का पार्ट, नीचे का पार्ट. Okay, now I'll tell you something before we go over to the last para. समझो इस बात को. The author can finish the passage on another philosopher. The author can finish the passage on a recommendation. The author can finish the passage on a philosophical conclusion. It can be anything. So you have to be able to identify what the last para is doing. Here I can see there is an alternative. That means he's coming up with some suggestion. This is superbly important. If there is a main idea question or a primary purpose question in this passage, it has to give you, the answer should include the suggestion, the recommendation and all. It cannot be only the problem. The problem is human-centered software. The problem is software everywhere, reaching every domain and trying to just take the human place as वैसा उसने दिखाया है, right? And it kind of reduces our ability to think and all. सब कुछ हो गया. That's the problem. Here he says there is an alternative. You can come up with human-centered automation. As the name suggests, let the humans be there and then the automation can be there around the humans. The talents of people take precedence. More importance. In this model, software plays an essential but secondary, supplementary role. साथ में है. It takes over routine functions, okay, issues, alright, provides fresh information, expands, okay, alright. The technology becomes the expert's partner, not the replacement. Such a simple passage. Okay. We will find this simple if we have done a little bit of reading, external reading on AI, software replacing us, how humans are worried, ऐसी वाली चीजें, right? So this is so good. The flow is very neat. Now, if we map the passage, mapping is like how? The problem, right? Software ka. One experiment that showed something. Then Dreyfus Hubbard, जो भी है वो, ठीक है? And then goal of modern software, so one para devoted to him. Then scope of automation, then Ebola ka paragraph, and the author's suggestion. Yeah. On a sheet of paper, maybe you can just do this, ऐसा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write here. Problem and then draw an arrow here. Okay, then experiment, ऐसा. करके just make it. This is called mapping. All right. चलिए. So this reading, the way I showed you, should not take you more than 90 seconds in any case. This comes with practice, but all right. Now, question number 1. So this is, all reasons except, यार ये तो फिर भी कहीं पे तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना, and doctors, हाँ, okay. I would love to start with this. So sequence is not important. 1, 2, 3, 4 करो, आप 3, 2, 4, 1 करो. Who's stopping you? This is super specific. I know the second last para is talking about Ebola. I'll go there, na? Okay. So we can infer that doctors probably missed the forest for the trees because. Go back. In a recent paper, now I'm going to read it. Published in this, 3 medical researchers examined this. The first person to die of Ebola in this, okay, examined kisko? Ek person ko. He was the first person to die of Ebola. They argue that the digital templates software used by the hospital's clinicians to record patient information, right, probably helped to induce a kind of tunnel vision. Those clinicians, those physicians, whoever they were, they kind of, got a tunnel vision. Why? Because of the digital templates. Templates किसको कहते हैं? पहले से बना हुआ है. सोच के देखो आप. I have to make a presentation on PPT. Or I have to give you the 9:30 का YT session. If I take a template जो पहले से बना हुआ है, will I use any of my bheja over there? No, I'll just take the template and if I'll take, some content from here and there, dump करके पढ़ा दिया. Where was my critical thinking? On the other hand, if the template is not there, my tunnel vision won't be there. I'll kind of look for I'll try to be creative, right? Okay. So they argue that this helped to induce a kind of tunnel vision. Induce, डाला उनमें. These highly constrained tools, restrict किया ना उनको. The researchers write are optimized for data capture. Okay. But at the expense of sacrificing their utility for appropriate triage and diagnosis, leading users or clinicians to miss the forest for the trees. So they were not able to apply any external creativity, knowledge, kuch bhi aisa. Why? Because ye sara templates tha, sacrificing their utility for triage and diagnosis, leading them to miss this. Medical software is no replacement for basic history taking, examination skills and critical thinking. Very clear. We'll go over to the question, and after this much reading, you should be able to eliminate 2 options fatafat. Okay. Nahi ho raha hai eliminate 2 options after this much reading. That means this question is worth skipping. Okay. They were led by the data processed by digital templates. Digital templates to bola hai. Okay. They were led by. So led by bole to digital templates aage and doctors piche, right? They were led by. They did not lead, they were led by. Means these templates showed them the way. Aisa karna, aisa karna, aisa karna. Data processed by digital templates. The digital templates forced them to acquire tunnel vision. Okay? Forced them. I'll keep this. But I have a doubt. Induced bole to it's not the same as forced. Force them बोले तो गन पॉइंट पे चल तू कर, नहीं करेगा तो उड़ा देता हूं खोपड़ी. Force them कैसे? The templates were there. तो acquire tunnel vision. चलो बस रख लेते हैं इसको, ठीक है? They use the wrong type of digital templates for the case. Absolutely बकवास. Wrong use किया तो किसी ने बोला ही नहीं. Excuse me. They used the digital templates, but that gave them a tunnel vision because we know the main idea of the passage, that they did not apply their critical thinking, their creativity, right? Their external stuff. The data collected were not sufficient for appropriate triage. How do we know from the para that the data were sufficient or not? Go back to the passage. कहीं ऐसा नहीं बोला है that, ये बोला है these highly constrained tools. यहां बोला है are optimized for data capture. Do you see the point? Data capture के लिए तो बहुत सही है. They are good for data capture. So the data collected were not sufficient. Out. They are good for data capture, but they are not good for other things. So I'm left with 1 and 2. Now between 1 and 2, what do? We take 1 and prove. पहले तो difference देख लो दोनों में. They were led by the data. Data. कौन सा data? ये data processed by templates. Doctors ने वही किया जो वो data उनको मिला. The digital templates forced them to acquire this. I'll take you back. It says here what? Probably, yeah, digital templates used by the hospital's clinicians to record patient information probably helped to induce a tunnel vision. Constrained tools, this, but they did not allow the physicians, yahan hai, utility for appropriate triage and diagnosis. Appropriate nahi de paye wo, leading users to miss the forest for the trees. बड़ा पिक्चर उनको समझ नहीं, वो नहीं कर पाए, राइट? नहीं किया उन्होंने, कोशिश नहीं की, so force नहीं किया गया था उनको, right? So this is eliminated and this is your answer. Simple है ये. They were led by the data, means they did whatever the template gave them, right? Okay, question 3. Considered examples. Okay, human-centered automation has been mentioned only in the end, the last para. In the last para, I remember when he spoke about human-centered automation, there were comma, 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 comma. Bring human-centered automation so that it can do this, 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 this. उसी के basis पे यहाँ पे options बनाएगा. So I need to go back and read the human-centered automation paragraph and then go back and apply. Talents of people are more important. Software plays secondary role. Takes over routine functions, भाई. डेटा कलेक्ट करना है, ये करना, ठीक है, तू कर ले, सॉफ्टवेयर तू भी खुश रह, बट जब पेशेंट को ट्रीट करना है, मैं आऊंगी, ठीक है? इफ आई एम एन एजुकेटर, डेटा किस स्टूडेंट को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या चाहिए, क्या उसका फीडबैक है, वो ले ले, तू जमा कर ले. बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टीच कैसे पढ़ाना है, राइट? रूटीन फंक्शंस दैट अ ह्यूमन ऑपरेटर हैज ऑलरेडी मास्टर्ड. इश्यूज, अलर्ट्स when unexpected situations arise. Alert तू ही दे दे भाई, मैं क्यों करूं, ठीक है? Provides fresh information that expands the operator's perspective. Fresh information, जितना information चाहिए मुझे इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है, I'll take from the software, okay? And on that basis I will work, right? Expands the operator's perspective and counters the biases. मेरा bias जो है उसको हटाएगा, distorts human thinking. So मेरा partner बन गया ये, right? Now I'll go back and आप देखो यहाँ पे एलिमिनेशन शुरू करेंगे. इसमें सब ट्रू है, एक फॉल्स पूछा है, ये पहले लिख के रख लेना, अदरवाइज यू विल फॉरगेट. बाय द टाइम यू गो बैक एंड रीड एंड कम बैक, यू वुड हैव फॉरगॉटन, अच्छा क्या बोल रहा है ये. सॉफ्टवेयर दैट ऑफर्स इंटरप्रिटेशंस व्हेन रिक्वेस्टेड बाय द ह्यूमन ऑपरेटर. रिक्वेस्टेड बाय, यस, हम सुपीरियर हैं, हम जब मांगेंगे तो तू दे देना, करेक्ट, ट्रू. सॉफ्टवेयर दैट ऑटो कंप्लीट्स टेक्स्ट व्हेन द यूजर राइट्स एन ईमेल. मैं लिख रही हूं ईमेल, ऑटो कंप्लीट, तू अपने मन से कंप्लीट करता चला जा रहा, मैंने बोला क्या तुझे कंप्लीट करने. सो दिस इज ऑटो. रखती हूं मैं यहाँ पे. सजेशंस नहीं दे रहा है वो, एक होता है सजेस्ट करना, टेक्स्ट सजेशंस, एक है ऑटो कंप्लीट, कर लिया उसने. मेडिकल सॉफ्टवेयर दैट प्रोवाइड्स ऑप्शनल फीडबैक ऑन द डॉक्टर्स एनालिसिस ऑफ द मेडिकल सिचुएशन. ऑप्शनल. इफ आई वांट, यू गिव इट टू मी. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर मी, राइट? सो दिस इज ट्रू. A smart home system that changes the temperature as instructed by. Even if you play the odd one out, in all the other three, it's at my wish, my command, my instruction. Only this one is auto. You are the master of your own will. कैसे हो गया भाई तू? Right? So this is your answer. This is false. Hope this is clear. Then, Utrecht University experiment. इसको देख लेंगे. जो कि ये भी स्पेसिफिक है ना? It can be inferred that in this one group of people aimlessly clicking around. Even before I go back, aimlessly कौन क्लिक कर रहा होगा? जिसको ना सॉफ्टवेयर सब कर रहा है, प्रॉम्प्ट दे रहा है, टडंग कर रहे हैं, दिमाग नहीं लगा रहे हैं अपना, राइट? सो आई विल टेक यू बैक टू द यूट्रेक्ट वाला, यहाँ सेकंड पैरा. Okay, carry out complicated. The researchers found that people using the simple software without prompts developed better strategies, made fewer mistakes, and developed a deeper aptitude. Obviously, author yahi चाह रहा है, yahi कह रहा है. The people using the more advanced software, meanwhile, would often aimlessly click around. Inverted में है. This is a question pocket. Even when you are reading your passage, you should know कि यहाँ आएगा question. Okay. When confronted with a tricky problem, दिमाग अपना नहीं लगा रहे. The supposedly helpful software, supposedly, actually short-circuited their thinking and learning. लिमिट कर दिया उनको. Now, why were they aimlessly clicking around? They were hoping that the software would help carry out the tasks. Prompts. हो सकता है. They did not have the skill set to address complicated tasks. I'll keep this. Okay. The other group was carrying out the tasks more efficiently. तुझे क्या मतलब है भाई? Let the other group do it. You have also been given the task. आप sophisticated software use कर रहे हो. So you should also be able to do it. Just because the other group is doing more efficiently, you are aimlessly clicking around. Doesn't make sense. So this is out. They wanted to avoid making mistakes. No. They wanted to avoid making mistakes. So the other group was like, the other group was more keen and they made fewer mistakes, the other group. They wanted to avoid ये clicking वाले लोग, software वाले कहीं नहीं दिया है that they wanted to avoid. So this is out. Now I'm left with 1 and 2. What do I do now? Between 1 and 2, I have to see the difference सबसे पहले. They were hoping that the software would help carry out the tasks. ये question क्या बोला है? Aimlessly clicking around, कर रहे हैं, टड़क 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 टड़क, right? They did not have the skill set to address complicated tasks. Okay, एक कह रहा उनके पास काबिलियत थी ही नहीं. The other one is saying maybe they had the skill set, but then they were just kind of relaxed. अच्छा, I'll keep clicking, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा, right? I'll take you back. So here he says clearly, okay, push people harder to think, act and learn, and then connected with that, this came up. Analytical planning using this, okay, right? Sophisticated software that offered a great deal of aid. Using the simple software did better. More advanced, aimlessly click around, confronted with a tricky problem. They just kept doing it. Tricky problem tha. It's not that they did not have the skill set, but they just kept clicking. कि भाई वो तो देगा, prompt देगा. The supposedly helpful software short-circuited their thinking and learning. They did not feel like भी नहीं बोलूंगी यहाँ पे. They were too dependent, overly dependent on the software. So between this and this, that's option 2, थोड़ा extreme हो जा रहा है. They did not have the skill set. था ही नहीं उनके पास skill set, नहीं. Maybe they had the skill set, but because they became overly dependent on this, they just sat back. They just did not want to use that. है ना? So 2 is eliminated. 1 is the answer. They were hoping. This goes with the tone. That's the answer. Now I take you over to the first question. अब ऐसा वाला question ना, if I keep for the end, what happens is I have done all those. By now I know so much from the passage that maybe I can just eliminate 1 or 2 options in the blink of an eye. So what do? I read the question and don't jump back into the passage. First, I'm going to just see the options. We can infer that the author is worried about the use of this for all except. True, 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 1 false. It stops users from exercising their minds. यही तो पूरे passage में बोला उसने. Utrecht वाला भी तो उसने यही बोला है. So this is true. Right? They don't utilize what they have. It could mislead people. Not sure, I'll keep this. Computers could replace humans. The author who's giving you a suggestion for human-centered automation, would he agree that computers could replace humans? You see my point. So this is definitely false. True, false में no need to prove every option, no need to play POE. You can just locate the one that is wrong. So if you're reading like this and if you come across this, acha, computers could replace humans. How can the author be apprehensive about this? We can infer that the author is apprehensive about the use of this for all of the following. Has he said anywhere in the passage that automation is going to replace humans? No. He says automation makes us barbad, makes us, idle, makes us lazy. In this passage, the author is worried about us not utilizing our capabilities. But he's not even once has he said that automation can replace humans. It stunts the development of its users. This number 1 and number 4 are similar, so definitely true. I'm left with 2 and 3 anyway. ये तो वैसे भी गलत है, लेकिन even if you're left with 2 and 3, it could mislead people. इबोला वाला जो है, इबोला वाले में आप देखो यहाँ digital templates are optimized for this, leading users to miss the forest for the trees. So it misled them. It led them in a different direction, right? This is what he says. So it could mislead people. This is true, and this is your answer. False. Right? You can go back and check. कहीं भी उसने ये नहीं, उसका ये डर नहीं है that they can replace. No. Got it? So if you're clear with the main idea, you can solve your questions more easily and decide your own sequence 3 1 2 4 4 1 2 3, whatever you want, and try to not read too much. पढ़ो उतना जितना चाहिए. जब काम मेरा इतने से हो सकता है, मैं इतना क्यों लेकर के बैठ के मरूं. Got it, guys? So we are done with all the 4 questions. It was a very nice passage with a beautiful set of questions. इसमें एक भी difficult नहीं था. So in the test, like I generally suggest 3 3 3 कर लो आप हर passage में से. In this passage, I would do all 4. वो वहां पे flexibility होनी चाहिए. By the time you do 3 questions, you realize that yes, this passage is good and even the 4th one can be done. ये अच्छा passage है भाई. ये अच्छा set of questions है. At that moment, I'll decide कि हाँ मुझे चारों करने हैं. ठीक है? So done. Thank you everyone. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to meet you again